Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be trying a few new products from Huda Beauty, one being the new Faux filter under eye color corrector and the trending pink powder, the Cherry Blossom Baking Powder by Huda Beauty. If you want to see these products on my skin and hear my thoughts on them, keep on watching. Hey guys, so Huda Beauty recently released the Faux Filter Under Eye Color Corrector. It comes in 5 shades and I picked up the shade Papaya. It says that it's a lightweight color corrector that visibly corrects, evens, and brightens the under eye area with a crease, sweat, and transfer-proof formula that blends seamlessly. So the key claims of this under eye corrector is that it's supposed to be blendable and layerable, brightens and evens discoloration, and it is crease, sweat, transfer proof. It's supposed to have a medium coverage with a natural finish and is formulated with vitamin C and niacinamide. I picked it up in the shade Papaya. I'm excited to try this product because I love color correctors. I mean, most times I forget to use them, but when I do use them, I definitely see the difference with how my makeup applies. Now, if you don't know what a color corrector is, basically it's supposed to help neutralize the skin tones when you're wearing foundation and concealer. I want to use this color corrector under my eyes to help brighten up the concealer that I use on top of it. It's supposed to correct the darkness under your eyes and neutralize it so that your concealer, your true concealer color can show up. This is what Papaya looks like. I have 2 other color correctors in my collection. The first one is the Live Tinted color corrector and I have it in the shade Rise. This is how it looks swatched next to the Papaya. Rise, it has a deeper orange tone. And then I have the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener in the shade Pumpkin. And I have a feeling that it's more similar to the shade Rise from Live Tinted. Let's see. Yeah, it is. It's definitely a deeper orange tone. I really wanted a different tone of orange, to be honest. So I'm happy that it's not too close to the other 2 I have in my collection. I'm just gonna do 2 dots because I don't want to do too much. 2 dots under my eye because this is supposed to help brighten my under eye and I don't want it to be too pigmented so that my concealer is pulling orange. I'm gonna blend this out with my Sonia G Soft Concealer Brush. Definitely has coverage on it. And I like to use it on top of my eyelids as well because I do have some discoloration on my eyelid. I think this is blending very well. You definitely have to let this sit a little bit to get more pigmentation out of it, just like a regular concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my regular concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. And I have it in the shade Salted Caramel. I let this concealer sit under my eyes for a little bit and now I'm going to blend it out with my Sonia G Mini Base brush. And this is my favorite brush to use and use to blend concealer. Okay, wow. Okay, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Okay. She might be on to something. Oh, wow. She's bright. So this is gonna be a kind of like a testing new Huda Beauty product video because I have another product that's new to me that I'm gonna be testing in this video. So just stay tuned for that. This is what my face is looking like with the under eye color corrector and the concealer on top. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. She is bright. She's definitely bright under there. I like it. I love the way my skin is looking right now. I'm not even gonna lie, like the skin is looking beautiful. My under eyes are looking bright. I love it. Another new to me product I'm testing is from Huda Beauty again. I'm gonna test her Cherry Blossom Pink Powder. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have been loving the pink powder, okay? I've been loving the one from Patrick Star, One Size Beauty. And I wanted to try the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom shade. Right off the bat, I can tell you that it's definitely a thinner texture than the One Size Beauty. It is also not as pink, but I still think it looks good. Let me just finish this up and I'll share some thoughts about it. This entire under eye look. Amazing. Definitely has that smell or that scent, but I don't think it's too strong, and I don't mind scent in my makeup, so that's not something I'm gonna complain about. Look how flawless that looks. I'm trying to tell you, if you haven't tried a pink powder, what are you waiting for? Do you see what's happening here on my skin? I'm gonna finish setting the rest of my face with my One Size Turn Up the Base foundation powder, and I'm gonna put some other stuff. I'll leave everything that I use on my face in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out. I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna do a little wear test and come back and let you guys know what I think about everything I'm trying today. So I finished up the rest of my makeup, and it has now been 7 hours since I applied the Huda Beauty Faux Filter on the Eye Corrector and the Cherry Blossom setting powder. This is what my skin is looking like. This is my completed face. I have not touched it since I first applied it earlier, and I feel like the Faux Filter Corrector, the Faux Filter Concealer, the Cherry Blossom setting powder is amazing. I'm gonna do a close-up B-roll shot so you guys can see what I'm looking like right now, but my under eyes look beautiful. They look bright. It's smooth under there. It's not cakey, and I have very minimal creasing. Now, do you need to run out and buy this corrector if you already have one in your collection? I'm gonna say no. I feel like I get the same effect from my other correctors, like the Fenty and the, what's that one called? The Live Tinted color corrector I showed you guys. I don't think there's anything special about this color corrector from Huda Beauty. I do like the formula though. It is lightweight. I feel like it actually is similar to the concealer now that I think about it. You have to let it set a little bit before you blend it out if you want to get a good amount of coverage for the darkness under your eye. But overall, I think they're great. The Huda Beauty powder, I still have to do more testing with that. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a video with me doing a comparison between the Huda Beauty pink powder and the One Size Beauty pink powder. So far, I still think the One Size is my favorite. That's because it is more pink, but I definitely have to do a side-by-side before I can come to a conclusion. I definitely love the way this looks. My face is smooth in the areas I place the powder, like on my forehead, down my nose, my chin. It is just looking smooth. It is blurred, baby. Like, it is looking amazing. And that's one thing I will give the Huda Beauty over the One Size Beauty. It doesn't cake. The formula is very thin. The powder is so light and airy compared to the One Size Beauty. That is one thing I love about it. I don't have to worry about this getting cakey under my eyes, and I don't have to be too careful when I'm trying to set my concealer. Yeah, those are my thoughts on the 2 new products I tried today. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that side-by-side comparison between the Huda and the One Size. And if you made it this far in the video, we're friends now, okay? At this point, we're friends. So go ahead and subscribe and give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.